Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Hello, good morning. Yes, children, I want you all to read the question and work this, and you can share the answer with me. As I told you, we'll be so today's your day, meaning you are going to help me with understanding how to work this, how to work these word problems. Help me with the assumption, the equation, and the final answer. Just get started. It's an open question. Anybody can answer. So how do we assume the angles of the triangle? Let the three angles of the triangle be
2x, 3x, and 4x.
4x. Yeah. So let.
Ma'am, I just joined. Have we done any other question yet?
No. This is the first question. No.
Okay.
Two x degrees, 3x degrees, and 4x degrees. Yeah. Somebody tell me the equation. Anantika gave the assumptions. Somebody else the equations. Sorry, equation.
Can I say?
Yeah.
2x degrees plus 3x degrees plus 4x degree is equal to 180 degree.
Very good. Very good. Because the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Very good, children. Yes. Good, Shreya. Solve and tell me the value of x, class.
Ma'am, I got 20, ma'am.
Very good. So I suppose the x is 20, is it? Let's check.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Even I got the same.
Very good.
Same, ma'am. I also got 20 degrees.
Very nice.
Done, ma'am. I finished the question, ma'am.
Very nice. Just a second. Yeah. So x is equal to 20 degrees. So should we stop here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. What is it? What should we? How should we complete the answer?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes. Yes, Shreya.
So I have to multiply all the numbers with 20.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
2x is equal to 2 into 20 degrees, which is 40 degrees.
Okay. So what do I write like? Therefore, the angles of the triangle are the angles of.
The angles of the triangle are 40 degree, 60 degree, and 80 degree.
Yeah, 2x degrees. That is 2 into
2
20.
into 20, which is 40.
Correct. Okay. Then you'll have to continue writing below. I don't have space, so I'm continuing here. Then 3x degrees, which is 3 into 20.
3
correct?
20. Yes, ma'am. Which is 60.
Yeah.
And 4x square, 4 into 20, which is 80 degrees.
Very good. Yeah, the others have not finished who are still working. Please complete. I'll wait for a minute.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. I want you to first assume, use this one for assumption, okay, and this one for equation. Then the alternate method will use this for assumption and this for constructing the equation. Yeah, now method one is this information for assumption and this information for constructing the equation. Yes. Who can tell me how we need to assume the numbers?
Num X and Y.
No. So the name of the chapter is linear equation and one variable. So we are allowed to use only one variable.
X.
It is
Ma'am,
possible to construct. No, let me complete.
number.
Yeah, let me complete. Yes, 1 minute, Gayatri. So we can use two variables x and y, construct equations, solve them and find the values of x and y and hence find the numbers. That is possible, but we need to use only one variable.
So X.
Yeah, no, Gayatri wanted to say something. Yes, Gayatri?
Ma'am, I just said it's greater number minus smaller number.
Tell me. Yes, go ahead.
Ma'am, greater number minus number is equal to 1.
Is equal to?
5, ma'am.
No, darling, I want you to use the first part of the question. Sum of the two numbers is 11. I want you to use that and assume the two numbers. Sum of the two numbers is 11. Please use this information to construct, to assume the two numbers. Yeah.
Can I try? Is it x plus 11? Sorry, ma'am. X plus x equals 11.
That means you're assuming the two numbers to be equal. X plus x is equal to 11, meaning you're assuming that the two numbers are equal and each is x.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Lakshana?
Ma'am, x plus 11 minus x is equal to 11.
No, see, I think let me make myself clear. Lakshana, class, I want the assumption, like I want you to say, let one number be this. Therefore, the other number is this. That's all I want. I don't want the equation now. I just want you to tell me the expressions for the two numbers. The let statements. Let one number be this. Therefore, the other number is this. No, Lakshana is right. Let me just continue with her. 1 minute, Anantika. Yes, Lakshana.
Then let one
number be what?
X.
Okay. Then what's the other number?
Be 11 minus X.
Very good. Yes, you're right, Lakshana. Thank you. Let one number be X. Then the other number will be 11 minus X. See, the sum of the two numbers is 11. See, it's like there are 11, 11 boxes. There are 11 boxes. And you take 6 out of it. So what is the remaining? 11 minus 6. 11 minus X. There are 11 boxes. You take 6 boxes. So the remaining will be 11 minus 6, which is 5. So if you don't know this number, if you take X boxes, then the remaining is 11 minus X. So method 1, it's given that the sum of the two numbers is equal to 11. That means one number plus other number is equal to 11. So let one number be X. Then the other number in terms of X will be 11 minus X. Don't you remember this? So sometimes we get confused as to how to assume. You will not. Once you practice, you will not. There is no space for confusion at all. So when we're new to this chapter, we're just learning, many things. So, there is a tendency to get confused or you're stuck. You don't know how to assume. It's okay. That's fine. So this is what I told you. I said, do this in the rough column. This need not be a part of the main solution. But it's okay if you show it also. I didn't mention all this. It's okay if you show all this, if you present all this as a part of your answer, or you can do this in the rough column. So it's given that the sum of the two numbers is 11 and we don't know how to assume the two numbers. So this will help you write out what you understand from this. Sum of the two numbers is 11. That means there are two numbers and one number plus the other number is equal to 11. That's what we understand. So now you take one number as X. Anything can be X. You can call the other number also as X. Anything as X. So if you call one number as X, you're trying to find the other number in terms of X. So X plus other number is equal to 11. So the other number will be 11 minus X. So if you call one number as X, then the other number is 11 minus X. So this is what you should work here. See, so the solution, this is optional. This is optional. So you can directly write, let one number be X. Therefore, the other number is equal to 11 minus X. Now, so we have used this part of the question for assumption. That is, sum of the two numbers is 11. This information in the question we have used to assume the two numbers. Now leave that. You should not use the same information again later in the answer. Now this is used. We have used this information in the question to assume the two numbers. Now we are done with that. Read the later part of the question. The difference is 5. The difference between the two numbers is 5. Use this to construct the equation. Yes, Lakshana? Can you tell us?
Ma'am, according to the question, the difference between the
Now,
two numbers.
can you make one more, okay, fine, no problem. Yes, tell me, Lakshana.
Ma'am, so X minus open bracket 11 minus X is equal to 5.
Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Very good. So it's given that the difference between the two numbers is 5. Difference between the numbers is equal to 5. So that means one number minus other number, correct? Is equal to 5. Correct. Very good, Lakshana. Yes. So one number you said is X minus and you said open bracket 11 minus X. Very good. Is equal to
5.
Very good. Yes. Just a minute. Yeah. So upon opening the bracket, Lakshana, continue. X minus.
11 plus x is equal to 5.
Very good. Next.
So 2x minus 11 is equal to 5.
Okay.
Next, bringing 11 on the other side, 2x is equal to 5 plus 11.
Very good.
2x is equal to 16
Hmm.
and x is equal to 16 upon 2, which is x
Yes.
is equal to 8.
Very good. Therefore, one number is equal to 8. What's
And
the
the
number?
is 11 minus 8, which is 3.
Very good. 11 minus 8, which is 3. Very good. So the two numbers are 8 and 3. The two numbers are 8 and 3. It's a very simple question. We can guess the answers. You can guess the numbers. You'll have to find two numbers whose sum is 11 and difference is 5. So you can guess it. 8 and 3 are the numbers. The sum of 8 and 3 is 11 and the difference between 8 and 3 is 5. Yeah, so well done, Lakshana. Thank you. Yes, children, those who need to complete it, please write it. I'll wait for a minute. And then we'll do method 2.
Ma'am, but what are the two numbers?
Here.
Okay.
Ma'am, finished with the first one, ma'am. Can you please show the next one?
Yeah. Yeah. How do we work it using the alternate method? You need to use this for this one. Now the alternate method, use the difference between the numbers is 5 for assuming and this one to construct the equation.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is Aishwarya. I just joined right now. Can you just show me the previous slide so I can take a screenshot?
Yeah, sure. Aishwarya, you mistook the class timings to be 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
I did mention morning also, no? Let me check my message.
Because when my mom told me, she sounded like she told me it was in the evening.
My God, let me see if I use the word morning. Yeah, see, I'm just reading my message. Class tomorrow morning from 8. That's why, see, when I say AM, I don't have to say morning, but I mentioned that, see, class tomorrow morning from 8:30 AM to 10:30 AM. Class tomorrow morning from 8:30 AM to 10:30 AM. Okay. Okay, anyways, I'm sorry about that. This is the first one. Done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
this is
about
second.
assignment, I did not do it because I didn't see it yesterday. I just saw it today.
No, you have more time. There is no
Okay.
deadline to finish it or something, but by the time we resume the classes, if you have the answers, it will be easy to check with the answers I show you on the screen.
Yeah, because I thought that today we were going to discuss the assignment as well. That's why.
No. There was hardly any time. No, I just posted it yesterday. No.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Very nice. Aishwarya, please stay back at the end of the meeting. I just need to talk to you and your mom. All right? Is she around, your mother?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
We are in our hometown, so she's actually kind of busy, but I'll let you know.
Yeah, alternate method, assumption. Does it take this long, children? So I've told you that when you're gonna assume using this information, difference is 5. Just be specific with your assumption. Let the greater number be this, let the smaller number be this. I want you to use those words
X
because
plus X.
no, I haven't completed, Anitika. Could you please wait? So I was telling class that when you assume using this information, difference between the numbers. So here it's given to be 5. Be specific with your assumption. Say let the greater number be something, the smaller number be something. Because whenever it is difference, the numbers are not equal. Yes, Anantika. Let the greater number be
X.
Yeah, go on. If you want to say, go on.
Ma'am, let the greater number be X and smaller one X as well. So X plus X, then minus 5 is equal to 11.
Let the greater number be X. Come again with the next one.
X plus X.
No, what is a smaller number?
Smaller number be X as well.
Does it make sense, Anantika? Greater number is X and smaller number is also X.
Ma'am, I made an equation about the assumption. I'm not sure, but when I do it using the equation, I'm getting the same answer.
Yeah, your equation is right. I heard it. The equation is right. I want the assumption. Let the greater number be X. So what about the smaller number, class?
Ma'am, can I
You need to get used to writing it in words, children. Yes, who is that?
Yes, ma'am. Gayatri, ma'am.
Yes, Gayatri.
Ma'am, the other number equal to 5 plus X, ma'am.
Gayatri, can you just help me like this? I want you to know, I want you to say how you got the expressions. So method 2, difference between the numbers is 5, right? Difference
Yes, ma'am.
between the two numbers
equal to 5, ma'am.
5. So that means greater number, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
Greater number minus smaller number is equal to 5, ma'am.
Okay.
So I'm taking greater number as X, ma'am.
Okay.
X minus smaller number is equal to 5, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am,
So now this
smaller.
is minus smaller number. So you transpose this one. This is minus, no? So take it to the other side. So what do you get?
So the smaller number is equal to 5 plus X, ma'am.
Correct. So you need to transpose like this comes 5 plus X, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
No. See here. When you transpose, what happens? When you transpose 5 to the left-hand side, minus smaller number to the So 5 to the left hand side and minus smaller number to the right hand side. So what happens? X
minus 5, ma'am.
Is equal to minus smaller number will become plus smaller number on the other side, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, so this again is optional. This one is optional. So this one will help you assume. This one will help you assume. Now tell me, let. Yes, go on. Let
the greater number be x, ma'am.
Greater number be x. Okay. Therefore,
and the smaller number be
smaller
number
number is equal
x
to
minus 5, ma'am.
Yeah, very good.
Now to
Okay,
that.
1 minute. Just a minute. Yeah.
Now to construction part, ma'am.
Yeah.
So
what is the information you're using to construct the equation?
Ma'am?
What is the information you're using to construct the equation?
Sum of the two numbers is equal to 11, ma'am.
Yeah, sum of the two numbers is equal to 11. Correct. So that means what in words? Tell me.
So let one number be, ma'am.
No, one number.
Be x, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. No. I was like, one number plus the other number is 11, right? Sum of the two numbers is 11, meaning? Yeah. So what is one number? What is one number x? What's the other number?
5 plus x, ma'am. So x plus bracket.
No, you're reading from your book. No, you're reading from your book. Read. Tell me from the screen. We have got x and x minus 5.
Oh, x minus 5. Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah. So x plus
x minus 5, ma'am.
Yeah. Now.
So x plus x minus 5, ma'am, is equal to 11.
Yeah.
2x minus 5 is equal to 11, ma'am. So 2x is equal to 11 plus 5, ma'am. Transposing, ma'am. So 2x is equal to 16.
Yeah.
X is equal to 16 upon 2, ma'am.
Correct.
X
So
is
x is
equal
8.
to 8, ma'am.
And what is x for us? It's the greater number. And the smaller number is x minus 5.
X minus
Therefore,
5. Greater number is equal to x 8. Smaller number is equal to 8 minus 5, ma'am.
Very good.
3, ma'am.
Very good.
8 minus 5, x minus 5.
Yeah, I understand. Anantika, you've got the equation, you have constructed the equation, got the right answers, but we need to focus on the assumption part also because this has to be mentioned. This has to be mentioned.
Okay.
Yeah, now we can do it. We can do it in yet another way. Okay, so now see this again, difference between the two numbers. Difference between the two numbers is equal to 5, which means the greater number minus the smaller number is equal to 5. Now here you can take in this method, you can take the smaller number as x. See here we have taken the greater number as x, right? So you can also take the smaller number as x. Then what is the greater number in terms of x? What is the greater number in terms of x? The difference between the two numbers is 5. That means the greater number minus the smaller number is 5. So if you assume the smaller number is x, so here we have assumed the greater number is x. There's a previous slide I'm showing. Here we have assumed the greater number is x. If we take the smaller number as x, then the greater number in terms of x, will be minus x. When transposed, it becomes plus x. X plus 5, or you can write 5 plus x. Both are the same. X plus 5 or 5 plus x, whatever. So this is the answer. So now let the smaller number here. See, here we said let the greater number be x. So here it is, let the smaller number. So again, this is optional, children. You can just do this in the rough column, and then start your answer here. So now that you know how you have to assume, So let the smaller number be x. Therefore, the greater number or the larger number, is equal to x plus 5 or 5 plus x. Now, so we've used this for assumption. The difference between the two numbers is 5. We've used that for assumption. Now the equation. So equation is sum of the two numbers. Sum of the two numbers is equal to 11. That means the meaning one number plus the other number, or the smaller number plus the greater number, is equal to 11. So you get, so you know how to work this. So you get 2x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 3. 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. So here we found x, which is a smaller number, which is 3. And the larger number is x plus 5. The larger number is x plus 5. That is 3 plus 5, which is 8. The values of x you get may be different, but the two numbers will be the same. Yeah, Gayatri, you have worked it like this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I understood when you were narrating the answer. Yeah. Yes, children. I hope now it's clear, all of you. Please get used to this. That's what my request. Please get used to this, children. It's very simple. The assumption part is very simple, but till you get used to it, I want you to write like this and understand better. Yeah. So like this, we can do this in 3 different ways. Method 1, method 2, method 3. Of course, method 3 I have not completed. X is 3, so that means the smaller number is 3 and the greater number is 3 plus 5, which is 8. 3 plus 5, which is 8. Yeah, I'll be happy to attend to any further questions, class. If again you have some doubt with the assumption part, please ask me. This goes a long way. Linear equation goes a long way, children. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I don't know beyond that if you need, depending on the course you take up. Any questions, class?
No, ma'am.
All right, over to the next one. If the sum of two consecutive numbers is 11, find the numbers. So 98 and 99 are two consecutive numbers. Or 10 and 11 are two consecutive numbers. Are 100 and 200 two consecutive numbers?
No, ma'am.
No, 100 and 200 are not two consecutive numbers. They are two consecutive multiples of 100. They are two consecutive multiples of 100. 100, 200, 300. These are 100, 200, 300, 400. These are consecutive multiples of 100. So 100 and 200, they are not consecutive numbers. What follows 100 is 101. And what follows 200 is 201. Or what precedes 200 is 199. Yes?
Ma'am, the answer is 5 and 6.
Yeah, so my request to all the students in the classes, please, let's go with the flow of the class. You have to wait for me to complete. Come there. I'm sure this is easy for you, but I just want to make sure that everybody in the class is understood. So I have to explain. Kindly wait, all of you. No, 1 second, I'm not done. Yeah. So consecutive numbers, meaning numbers that come one after the other. Yes, Anantika. Now tell me the assumption. You said you're finished. Let one number be
11 minus x.
No, see, x comes first actually. Because
yeah, x and then another number would be 11 minus x.
What are the two numbers you got, Anantika?
5 and 6.
No, what are the two numbers you got?
5 and 6.
Must be 100%.
Gayatri, say ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Let the number be x, ma'am.
Okay.
So the other number is x plus 1, ma'am.
Perfect. So let one number be x. Therefore, the other number is equal to x plus 1. X plus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So
let one number be x because consecutive numbers are, say, like 12 and 13. If you call 12 as x, then how will you get 13 using x? X plus 1. So consecutive numbers will go like this: x plus 1, x plus 2. If you want 3 consecutive numbers, you need to go with this assumption. 4 consecutive numbers, x plus 3, 5. So you go on like this. Because all of you listen, see here, supposing the consecutive numbers are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. If you call this one as x, what is this one? 13. 13 is 12
x
plus 1. Yeah. And what is 14? 12 plus 2. What is 15? 12 plus 3. And what is 16? 12 plus 4. So if you call 12 as x, what is 13 in terms of x? X plus 1. What is 14 in terms of x? X plus 2. So in our example, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. These are the consecutive numbers. 5 consecutive numbers we've taken up. And if you call 12 as x, we're trying to find the other numbers in terms of x. So we know 13 can be written as 12 plus 1. We write everything in using 12. We'll write all the numbers using 12. So 12 plus 1, 12 plus 2, 12 plus 3, 12 plus 4. But 12 is x. So x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4. Okay, but here, since the question talks only about 2 consecutive numbers, let one number be x. Therefore, the other number, that is the consecutive number, the other number be, yes, Gayatri, the other number be?
X plus 1, ma'am.
X plus 1, yeah. So what have you used for assumption? Which part of the question have you used for assumption?
Sum of 2 consecutive numbers.
No, you have not used sum. You have not used sum. These words, 2 consecutive numbers. Using this, you have made the assumption, right?
Yes, ma'am.
2 consecutive numbers. When you read this, 2 consecutive numbers. So 2 numbers and consecutive numbers. So x1, x plus 1. Now, what is the information remaining in the question? What is the information remaining?
Sum of 2 consecutive numbers.
Yeah, the sum is 11. That is the remaining information. So from this we assume. Now the remaining information is sum is 11. Yes, Gayatri.
Yes, ma'am. X plus 1 is equal to 11, ma'am.
Yeah.
2x
Correct.
plus 1 is equal to 11. 2x is equal to 11 minus 1, ma'am. 2x is equal to 10, ma'am.
Correct. X is equal to
10 upon 2, ma'am. X is equal to 5, ma'am. So we got the one number, ma'am. So the other number is x plus 1, ma'am.
Yeah.
So 5 plus 1, ma'am.
Correct.
Is 6.
Very nice, Gayatri. Very good. Thank you. Sum of the 2 numbers. Yeah. Now, Anitika, I heard something like let one number be x and the other number be 11 minus x, right? Did you say that?
Yes, ma'am, I made a mistake.
Okay, fine. I just wanted to help you out with that. Yeah, okay. Class, any questions? Please ask me. All of you, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right, children, fine. Now tell me, how do you assume how do you assume 4 consecutive odd numbers? How would you assume 4 consecutive odd numbers. Now tell me 4 consecutive odd numbers, class.
Ma'am, 3, 5, 7, 9, ma'am.
3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, Gayatri. So 3 is 3. Okay. What is
Ma'am,
5 in terms of 3?
3 plus 2, ma'am.
What is 7 in terms of 3?
3 plus 4.
And what about 9 in terms of 3?
3 plus 6, ma'am.
3 plus 6. So if you call this 3 as x, so
X
if all
plus
the 3
1.
will become x, all the 3 will become x, right?
X, ma'am.
So what are the numbers then? Let the 4 consecutive odd numbers be
X, X plus 2, X plus 4, X plus 6, ma'am.
very good. So there's nothing like we did not know, I did not know how to assume. You just have to take some example. Use that example and assume.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Mm.
Now, supposing we have to assume 5 consecutive even numbers. So let's take some examples of let's take an example of 5 consecutive even numbers. Tell me, class.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10,
No, something else. Something else. Larger numbers.
100, 100, 200, 400, 600, 800.
Okay, 102, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay. So this is 102. And what is this?
102 plus 2, ma'am.
This one?
102 plus 4.
Yeah, this one.
102 plus 6.
Okay, this one.
102 plus 8.
Very good. So now we are calling one number as x, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will be the, so all the 102s, it becomes x. We are calling it x. So now tell me, what do you see?
X plus 2, X plus 4, X plus 6, X plus 8.
Very good.
That's
So
H.
yeah. So if we have to assume 5 consecutive even numbers, if we have to assume 5 consecutive even numbers, so we say let the numbers be x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, x plus 8. Same we got here. X plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. Same thing. So the assumption will be the same whether the numbers are consecutive even or consecutive odd, because the pattern is the same. The difference between any 2 consecutive even numbers is 2. And the difference between any 2 consecutive odd numbers is also 2. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. You skip counting in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Also you skip counting in 2s. So the assumption will be the same. It's not that if it is odd, the assumption is something, and if it's even, the assumption is something else. No, because the pattern is the same. You're jumping in 2s. You're jumping in 2s. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. You're jumping in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Also, you're jumping in 2s. So the assumption will be the same for even and odd numbers. So you have to take, if it is about 3 numbers, then you say let one number be x, the other number x plus 2, and the other number x plus 4. Yeah, make a note of all this, children. With these examples, just write down whatever you see on the screen. Maybe you can write this completely, consecutive. Consecutive.
Ma'am, can you show the next slide, please?
Sure, sure. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Done,
All
ma'am.
right. Very nice.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, so this I want the class to work and give me the final answer. Now Harsha will share the answer with me for this one. Harsha there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Harsha. You will try this one. Please work and then share your answer.
This is Aishwarya. So here there are 5 consecutive numbers. So I should write the first consecutive number, the second consecutive number, like that.
No. You can no. You can just write let the five consecutive numbers be x, comma, and go on like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Harsha, is it? Who's that?
No, ma'am. Shreya, ma'am.
Shreya. Okay. Are you ready, Harsha?
I'm done, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please read out from your book.
So let the 5 consecutive numbers be x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, and x plus 4.
Very good. 1 minute. Let me just write. Let the 5 consecutive numbers be, yeah, x plus 1, then
X plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4. No.
Okay. So now tell me what.
The answer is 26.
Sai Smriti, I'll just remind you about the instruction I gave earlier. Please wait for me to come to that part. We are still in the beginning. We're still discussing the first part of the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah. No. You don't have to feel sorry for that. Yeah. We'll just, all of us will go in, we'll have the same tune. So that, there is no confusion and yeah. Yeah. Thank you for understanding, Sai Smriti. Very good. So, yes, Harsha, please continue. Harsha, now tell me what in the question made you assume the numbers like this? Pick the word or the words in the question that made you assume this. Yes.
5 consecutive numbers.
5 consecutive numbers. That's all. We did not look at this 140. Simply these words, 5 consecutive numbers, made you assume this. Let the 5 consecutive numbers be. Okay, very good. Now the equation. Tell me.
X plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4 is equal to 140.
Correct. Okay. Next.
So
Yeah, you're
5,
reading from your
5x,
book. You can go.
5x plus 10 is equal to 140, ma'am.
Okay.
So 5x is equal to 140 minus 10, ma'am. So 5x is equal to 130 and x is equal to 130 by 5, which will be 26.
26. Very good. Okay. So what about the fine numbers now? Therefore, the 5 consecutive numbers are yes, Harsha?
Ma'am, x plus 1 is equal
26. Yeah,
plus
26. So
x
how do we
plus
present
2
it?
is
Yeah, Rx, which is 26, x plus 1, which is 26 plus 1, 27, correct? Then
x plus 2, that is 26 plus 2 is equal to 28.
yeah,
X plus 3, 26 plus 3 is equal to 29.
yeah,
And x plus 4, 26 plus 4 is equal to 30.
very good.
Therefore, the numbers are 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30.
Very good, Harsha. Thank you. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm sure the class would have got the same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. So
Yes,
by now,
ma'am.
yes, very good. So by now you should have understood that when you read a word problem, you must divide the information into 2 parts. Use one part for assuming. There must be the let statements. You cannot directly construct the equation. You have to, the answer should be in 2 parts. One part where you find the let statements. You're assuming, let one number be this, so the other one is this, whatever. So the assumption part is the first thing in the answer. Then constructing the equation, solving the equation to find the number or numbers. You must start the answer with the let statements. That is the assumption, assuming the numbers. And then the equation. So we use one part of the question. You can use any part of the question. So we use one part of the question for assuming the numbers and the remaining to construct the equation. Yes, children. Next one. Yeah, I just need 5 minutes time, children. I'll just get back. Why don't you take some screenshots? No, these are simple. Let's do these later. Yeah, take a picture of this one, children. This is the next one. I showed you this, but ignore this one. Ignore this one. You can take a screenshot if you want to try it later. You can take a picture. Yeah. Take a picture, children. You can try this later. Meaning after the class. Done?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. This one. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Very nice. This is the
Yes,
next one. Yeah.
Ma'am, should we take a screenshot of this as well, ma'am?
Yeah. This is not classwork. This you can do it later.
Okay, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Taken, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you please show the last slide? I didn't take it
Yeah.
because I'm in. Yeah, ma'am, thanks.
No problem. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. The next one, ma'am.
Yeah. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, this is what I want to do now. So from question number 5, 6, 7, 8 homework. Yeah, this is classwork. I want you to try this now. I'll also show you the next one so that you can just engage yourself in the time I come back. Okay. So please try this one first. Take a picture. Question number 9, please try it now. And question number 10. I'll just get back. Yeah. Just excuse me for 5 minutes, children. I'll just come back. Thank you, children. I'm back. Are we ready to share this answer?
Ma'am, I didn't quite get the question.
Oh, let me read.
Ma'am,
The sum
I
of
also
two
didn't-
numbers is 2490. If 6.5% of one number is equal to 8.5% of the other, find the numbers. Okay. Now I just read through to check if there's any error in typing. Okay, fine. Let me explain the question. Yes, all of you. So Anantika expressed her view about the question. Yes, others? I don't want the final answer. I want you to answer in this order. If you have the assumption ready, tell me the assumption. If you have the equation ready, first we start with the assumption, then the equation, and then the final answer. Don't tell me, don't share the final answer now. Yes. So now I'm open to listen to the assumptions. What are the two numbers? How have you assumed the two numbers? That's what I want first.
Yes, ma'am, this is Aishwarya.
Yeah.
I have done it like, let one number be x. The sum of the two numbers is 2490. So x plus other number is equal to 2490. Other number is equal to 2490 minus x.
Very good, Aishwarya. So now, let one number be x. Therefore, the other number is Aishwarya.
The other number is 2490 minus x.
Very good. You're right with the assumption minus x. Because 1 second, Aishwarya, I'll just continue with you 1 second. One number plus other number. So you need to quickly write this in the rough column. You don't have to be very clear there, meaning your handwriting need not be legible. Just scribble through in the rough column. So one number plus other number is equal to 2490. If you call one number as x, then the other number will be 2490. So the other number is equal to 2490 minus x. That's all. Just write so that you understand. That's all. You don't have to make it clear for the teacher to understand if you're writing it in the rough column. Simply write like this in short. Now come to the main working, the solution part, and write there. Let one number be x. Therefore, the other number is 2490 minus x. Very good. So now we're done with the assumption using this information, this part of the question. Now we're not going to use it again. Now this is what we're going to use to construct the equation. Equation is using this information. Do you want to continue, Aishwarya?
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
So according to the question, 6.5 of one number is equal to 8.5 of the other number. Correct. So 6.5 into x is equal to 8.5 into, in brackets, 2490 minus x.
Perfect. 1 minute. According to the question, yeah, as you said, 6.5% of x. Because one number, no? So see here, we just, as Aishwarya said, 6.5% of one number is x, is equal to 8.5% of the other. What's the other? 2490 minus x. Yes, Aishwarya, please continue. 6.5% of x is equal to, I think you finished this one. 1 minute. 8.5% of 2490 minus x. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. So then it will be 6.5x is equal to 8.5 in brackets 2490 minus x. Then
You're
it will
right.
be...
No, I'll tell you one thing. You would have got on solving, if you've solved it carefully, you would have got the right answer. But then the step which you just mentioned should be improvised. You cannot directly write that. You cannot write 6.5%, meaning 6.5x. You should not write this. It's not like this here. You need one more step here. What do you mean by 6? Okay. Yes, Shreya. What is 10%, children? How do you write 10% as a fraction? Go back to 5th, 6th standard. X plus 10 by 100.
10 upon 100.
Yeah, 10 by 100.
So 6.5 upon 100 into x.
Correct. Yes, class. Yeah, very good. Anantika, very good. Shreya also good. Now, when we have to write 10.5% as a fraction, so percent means percent. percent. All of you listen carefully. Percent means per, per cent. Per meaning out of. Per meaning out of. Cent is 100. So 10% means 10 out of 100. That's the meaning. That's what you're saying. So 10%, you're saying in short. What is this percent? Percent. Per meaning out of. For every. Per meaning out of or for every. Out of cent is 100. Century. Century. 100. So that's what you're saying. 10% means you're saying 10 out of 100. So 6.5% means 6.5 divided by 100. Now off means what? What is off?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Off stands for multiplication. The English word off stands for multiplication in maths. Of x is equal to 8.5% means 8.5 by 100. Of again multiplication and the other number 2490 minus x. Now what happens is 100 on either side gets cancelled. 100 on either side gets cancelled. Or if you don't understand, how can you cancel that? So let me not cancel it. I'll tell you how it gets cancelled. Actually, you can strike it off here. Let's understand why. Okay, so it's going to be 6.5x by 100. See, like how do you simplify 3 by 4 into x? You're going to write it as 3x by 4. 3 into x is 3x by 4. In the same way, 6.5 into x is 6.5x by 100 is equal to 8.5 into 2490 minus x by 100. So now just imagine, children, this 100 when it comes to the right hand side, this 100 when it comes to the right hand side, what will happen? Tell me, will it come to the numerator or denominator? This 100. What is this 100 here? It's 1 by 100. It's in the denominator. This 100 is in the denominator here, which means it's like 1 by 100. If it is in the denominator, it is 1 by 100. If it's in the numerator, it is 100. If it's in the numerator, it is 100. If it's in the denominator, it is 1 by 100. So since it's in the denominator, it's 1 by 100. And what will happen to 1 by 100 when it comes to the other side? 100 by 1. Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this 100 is in the denominator here, which means it is 1 by 100. So when it's transposed, it becomes 100 by 1. So it's going to be like this when it comes to the other side. So what happens is 100 and 100 will get cancelled. That's what we're doing it here itself. So you don't have to show all these steps. I'll tell you when you can cancel. There is only one fraction in the left hand side and one fraction in the right hand side. And they have the same denominators. Now at this stage you can cancel. I'll tell you when you cannot cancel. Suppose you have like x by 100 is equal to 5 plus say like 25 minus x by 100. Supposing you cannot cancel this 100 and 100. You cannot cancel. Cannot cancel. Because you need to do that, you need to have only one fraction on either sides. If supposing this was not there, then it is only one fraction. 25 minus x by 100 is one fraction on the right hand side. X by 100 is one fraction on the left hand side. So you can cancel. That is, in simple words, the left hand side and right hand side must be completely simplified. In that case, you can eliminate the denominators like this. So if you have x by 100 is equal to 25 by okay, whatever. So like this, x by 25 plus something like x minus 5 by 100. Okay, so this is not simplified. See here, these are independent fractions. 25 by 2 is a fraction, x by 25 is a fraction, x minus 5 by 100 is another fraction. And you can simplify, meaning you can take up the common denominator and add and subtract. So this one, the right hand side is not simplified completely. It is not, the right hand side is not showing one fraction. It is showing multiple fractions which can be simplified and written as one fraction. The right hand side is showing 3 different fractions which are connected by plus minus sign, which can be simplified by taking the common denominator, and they can be unified as one fraction. This can represent one fraction after you take the common denominator. So here we can see multiple fractions, whereas on the left hand side there is only one fraction x by 100. That means the left hand side is completely simplified. The right hand side is not simplified, meaning you can take the LCM and you can bring all the fractions and make one fraction out of it. This is not simplified. So you cannot do this. You cannot do this. On the other hand, if you have x by 100 is equal to 5 minus 2x plus, whatever you have by 100 like this. This is only one fraction. This is only one fraction. You have multiple terms in the numerator. By 100, the whole thing by 100. This is only one fraction. You can't take the LCM here. Here you can cancel. Here you can cancel. So if the left hand side and the right hand side are completely simplified, they represent only one fraction, then you can cancel out the denominators like this. So that's what we do here, because yeah, you understand now. So we cancel out the 100. Yeah. Yeah, what after this, children? After this? Aishwarya, yes, I'm sorry. Yes. Aishwarya, please continue. So 6.5x, this is what you said is equal to, please continue.
Yes, ma'am. So I said 6.5x is equal to 8.5 multiplied by 2490 minus x. And then
No,
it will be
not
6.
minus x. Minus 8.5x. 8.5 has to be multiplied with every term inside the bracket. 8.5 into 2490 minus 8.5 into x.
Yes,
So
I was
this
just
product,
reading the before step.
what is the product? What is 8.5 into 2490?
I got 21165.
Yeah, even I got the same thing. Yes. Minus, now tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Minus
very good.
8.5x.
Very good. Now transpose.
Yes, ma'am. So you'll get 6.5x plus 8.5x is equal to 21165.
21165. Yeah, right. Continue, Aishwarya. What's the
So then
sum?
when you add it, you will get it as 15x is equal to 21165.
Okay.
So then it will be x is equal to 21165 by 15.
Okay.
So when I divided it, I got x is equal to 1411.
Correct. X is equal to 1411. Correct. So that
So
means
one number is equal. So therefore, one number is equal to 1411, and the other number is equal to 2490 minus x. So 2490 minus 1411, which is equal to 1079.
1079. Subtracting 79. That's great, Aishwarya. Very good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, class, please write down the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. I don't know if all of us have completed. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Done writing, all of you?
Done, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Very nice. Yes, over to the next one. Are we still working on this, or has anyone completed this one?
Ma'am, this is Aishwarya. I've completed it.
Okay. Let me just see, because you just gave the earlier answer, I'll just check if anyone else is ready. Class? Just a minute. Okay, Aishwarya, I think you can tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. So in this question, I've started as total value of three prices is equal to rupees 150.
Okay.
And then let the first price be rupees X.
Okay.
So the second price is equal to rupees 5 by 6 of X.
Okay.
And the third price be equal to 4 by 5 into 5 by 6x, because it's 4/5 of the second price.
Very good.
And so when I multiplied it, I got it as 2x by 3.
Very nice. Yes. And then what's the equation?
And so the equation will be x plus 5 x by 6 plus 2x by 3 is equal to 150.
Very good. Yes, you're right. And what about the value of x?
At the end,
Yeah.
I got the value of x as 600.
600. Very nice, Aishwarya. Yes, you got it right.
Thank you.
All right. So here, children, it's given here that the value of the second prize is 5/6 the value of the first prize. And the value of the third prize is 4/5 that of the second prize. So the second prize is 5/6 of the first prize, and the third prize is 4/5 of the second prize. So this can be a rough work. Okay. What is given? Second prize is 5 by 6 of the first prize, and the third prize is 4/5 of the second prize You can actually assume anything to be x. You can assume the second prize is x, the third prize is x, the first prize is x. We'll do it in all the three ways. You can assume anything as x. There is no rule, or there is nothing like only this should be called x. Nothing like that. So we'll do it in all the three ways. Now we'll take the first prize as x, then we'll take the second prize as x, then we'll take the third prize as x. Now, this is what we understand. Like from reading the question, we're just trying to shorten the information using mathematical equations. So we have it elaborate in English. No, we have it elaborate in English in words. So we just so it's difficult to comprehend. Like, so to shrink the information, but to understand the information correctly, you need to convert that to a mathematical equation or mathematical expressions. So this helps us understand better. I'll write this again. I'll write it again. So this is your rough work. Okay. So read second price is means equal to 5/6 of the first price. That's what is given there. And the third price is meaning equal to 4/5 of the second price. This is what is given. So now let's assume the first price to be X. Let the value of the first price, let the value of the first price be rupees X. So now see if this is X, if the first price is X, what is the second price? Second price will be 5/6. If the first price is X, so the second price will be 5x/6. You can see it here. Therefore, value of the second price is equal to 5/6 into X, which is rupees 5x/6. And the value of the third price. The value of the third price is equal to, so come back here. So we have everything in the rough column. The third price is what?
Ma'am.
4/5. Yes, Anantika?
Ma'am, I got the final answer as 60.
Okay. So third price is 4/5 of meaning into. The second price, what is the second price we have here? Second price. This is the second price, 5x/6. So into 5x/6. So please listen. I'll just come again with that one. See here, the third price is 4/5 of the second price. What is the second price? This is the second price, 5x/6. So 5x/6. So is equal to 4/5 into 5x/6. So you can simplify. You don't have to multiply straight away and write 20x/30. You can simplify. So see here, 5 and 5 cancels out, and 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 3s are. So we get rupees 2x/3. Isn't it easy, children?
Yes, ma'am. This one is easy.
It is very, very simple. You just have to read and convert that to mathematical equations so that you can understand better. Then assumption becomes really easy. Now we have the values of all the three prize monies. Now, Anantika, how do you construct the equation?
Ma'am, so yeah. X plus 5x.
No, tell me in English. What is, no, tell me in words. Tell me in words.
Okay. So first price plus second price plus third price is equal to rupees 150.
Yeah, so the total value of the three prices. I'm just writing what is given in the question. So total value of the three prices is equal to rupees 150. So as you said, the value of the first price, it's actually not first price, value of the first price plus value of the second price plus value of the third price. So value of the first price plus value of the second price plus value of the third price is equal to rupees 150. So now, children, we'll have to substitute x plus 5x/6 plus 2x/3 is equal to 150. What's the common denominator? What is the common denominator, class?
Ma'am, 6.
6. So it'll be, it's actually by 1 here. So it'll be into 6, right? So into 6. Yeah. So 6x.
Plus 5x.
Yeah.
Plus 3 2s are 6. So plus 4x.
Yeah, 4x. is equal to 150. Now we need to cross multiply and add the numerator here. 6x plus 5x plus 4x is 15x. Is equal to 150 into 6. We don't have to find the product. Don't find the product class. Don't multiply 150 and 6. So x is equal to 150 into 6 divided by 15. See, you should save time. Maybe 150 into 6 doesn't take long for you to multiply. But if it were some other two numbers, you shouldn't spend time multiplying them. So x is equal to 150 into 6 divided by 15. So 15 ones are 15 tens are. So x is equal to 60. Therefore, the value of the first price is rupees 60. The value of the second price, you need to write value of children, not directly first price. Value of first price is 60. Value of the second price is rupees 5 by 6 50. Into 16. Yeah, 5 by 6 into 16. Which is 50.
50.
And value of the third price
is 40.
40, ma'am.
Okay. Is equal to rupees
4 into
no 2 by isn't it 2 by 3? 2 by 3 into 60. Rupees 40. Yeah, class understood? Any questions?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
What else, ma'am?
Okay. Somebody's mic is enabled now. Please disable your mic. Yeah, let's do it in the next method, children. We'll try to assume the second price or the third price is X and try it. If you have not still completed writing this, please take a screenshot and finish it. These are like, see, if you, I'm talking with respect to age, children. So now you're all 13 years old. So I'm talking with respect to your age. So for 13-year-olds, this one is between easy to medium question. Between easy to medium, this one. This question is, see, if you have, if you say easy, medium, difficult. Okay, this question is between easy and medium. So there are questions, you know, like ahead of this, which are medium, and ahead of that, which is, you know, difficult in the sense you can make it easy to understand. But then for the first time, when you look at it for the first time, it may read very difficult for you. But once you understand how to do it, it becomes easy. Now, then everything becomes easy. Everything will come to this category for you once you understand. Everything is this category. So even the difficult one will become very easy for you. So you have only one category, easy. So it's all about how well we understand in the class here, and then how much time you spend with the chapter to practice. So you can understand. It's you who know if the chapter is, you know, if you need a little more time to practice. So you can judge yourself better. So that amount of time you'll have to give to practice. And see now I don't know, but you must give importance to the assuming part, constructing the equation, and then solving. So that's how we divide the process of solving a word problem. First is the assumption, the let statements. Then is constructing the equation. And then is solving to find the value of the variable x mostly. And then using the value of the variable x, we find the, you know, 2 numbers or 3 numbers or whatever. Every part must be given importance. So sometimes we may just ignore the assumption part. You read the question, you directly construct the equation and get the answer. No, what about the assumption? So that means you're not good. So you don't know how to assume, but you know how to construct the equation. So it starts from here. You must know how to assume the numbers, then construct the equation, then solve. and then give the final answers. These are the 4 stages. Okay, the same sum now. Let me just take this part. Second is 5/6 of the first. Second one is 5/6 of the first. And the third one is 4/5 of the second. Third is, what I forgot, 4/5 of the second. Now children, so now supposing we call the second price as X. Okay, so let the value of the second price. Let the value of the second price be X. So using the second price, you can find the first price or the third price. Anything you can find first. So see, therefore please listen to me. Therefore the value of the first price. Anything you can find first. Third price also you can find, or the first price, whatever. So supposing first price. So therefore the value of the first price is equal to, so see here, bring this here. What is it? Second price is 5/6 of the first price. What have we assumed? The second price is X. So this is the second price. This one is X. X is equal to 5/6 into the first price. So what is the first price? You want to find the first price. First price is equal to, X will come as it is. The 5/6 becomes 6/5 on the other side. So into 6/5. So the first price is 6x by 5. Is this understood, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So the second price, because you assume the second price is X, substitute in the right place. Under the first price, don't put X. What have we assumed? The second price is X. So under second price, X is equal to 5/6 into the first price. And you're trying to find the expression for the first price. So the first price will be equal to, you need to transpose 5/6. So it becomes 6/5 on the other side. So the first price is 6x by 5. So the first price is rupees 6x by 5. Now, and the value of the third price. And the value of the third price. Third price is equal to rupees. So third price, we'll have to come here. We need to use this one for third price. This one. So let me write it again. So third price is equal to 4/5 of the second price. So third price is equal to, what is the value of the second price? X. It's there. See here, X. The third price is 4/5 of the second price. So second is X. So you should, under that, put X. Wherever is the second price, there is X. So third price is equal to 4/5 of the second price. So the third price is equal to 4x by 5. 4x by 5. Now, the sum of the 3 price monies, the first price, which is 6x by 5, plus the second price, which is X, plus the third price, the value of the third price is equal, the total value is 150. Common denominator 5, 6x plus, this is into 1, into 1. Here it is 1, so into 5, into 5. So 5x plus into 1, 4x is equal to 150. So you get 15x is equal to 150 into 5. X is equal to 150 into 5 divided by 15. 10 times, so x is equal to 50. X is equal to 50. So you will get a different value for x here because x is not the first price as we assumed earlier. Here x is the first price, so we got 16. You cannot get the same value of x here. So x is 50. The value of the second price is 60. The value of the second price is 50, rupees 50. So what will be the value of the first price? 6 into 50 by 5. 6 into 50 by 5. So 60 rupees. And the value of the third price is 4 into 50 by 5, which is 40. So the final answer will be the same in all the 3 cases. I haven't worked the third case. So again, there the third method also, it's not a different method. It's just that you're assuming it differently. The method is the same. The way you assume, that part alone is different. So I was trying to say that you can take X as the value of the first prize money or the second prize money or the third prize money. That's fine. Anything can be X. Using that, you must find the others. So I would like you to, I would like you all to take the third prize money as X and find the second prize money and the first prize money in terms of X and solve. So now tell me, what will be the value of X in that case? If you take the value of the third prize money as X and find second and first in terms of X, what will be the value of X in that case?
It will be rupees 40.
It will be 40. Who was that?
Ma'am, Aishwarya.
Yeah. In that case, X will be 40 because the value of the third prize money is 40. So if you take the first prize money as X, you will get X is 60. If you take the second prize money, the value of the second prize as X, then your answer will be 50. For X, you will get 50. If you take the third prize money as X, then X value will be 40. So when you assume differently, you cannot get the same value for X. Value of X will be different. Was this useful, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How to, like assume, and
Yes,
there should be, so there should be no trouble like whom should I take as X, who's X here? No, you should be free to take anybody as X and find the others in terms of X. And that can be done very conveniently only if you write the information given in terms of mathematical equations like this. This is very important. Don't write it in detail, only you should understand. It's only for you to understand. So see, don't write second. It should not be too much to read. It should be too less to read. So see, a second prize money. How do we write it? Second prize money is 5/6 of the first prize money. It's like, some code language. You're just coding it. You're reading it and coding it. So now this is, see, the information is so short here. So if you take this as X, 5/6 into first prize money, so like that. Yes, children, now it's time. So I'll just show you the other questions I prepared for the class. Take a screenshot, try them. See, children, I'm not trying to offend anybody here. It's just a general thing I'm talking about. I don't want children to read the answer to Google and get the answer from there and write it down. That's not going to help you in any way. Please try it yourself. If you don't get it, if you don't understand, you will learn it here in the class. We'll do it together here. That we get used to that then. So what happens every time you don't know something, you just read it out to Google and then you see the answer from there and it stops you from thinking. Everything is available in the internet. We'll use it, we'll not misuse it. We'll use that to our advantage, not to our disadvantage. Think, try it. And if you feel you don't get it, maybe you can then read it, see the answer. But again, see, I don't know. See, we understand things in a specific way in the class here. I don't want anything else, some other sorts to be misleading or confusing for you. So I don't suggest you get the answer from some other source than from books. Like if you have any other reference book at home, I don't again want you to buy. If you have, then you can go through that. Authors will take you on the right path. But I don't know. I don't have any comments about Google, but I don't encourage children doing that. So let's use internet and Google and all that stuff available there to our advantage, not to our disadvantage. If that's going to help you, do it. If that's going to stop you from thinking and stop you from growing, don't use it. Yes, children. So please take. So in some time, so I think in about 3-4 days time, I'll prepare the answers for all this and put it in the library. Then you can check it from there. So there we'll have the answer the way we have understood in our style. We'll see the assumption, then the equation. So we'll see them the way we have understood. Yeah. Yes, children. Please take pictures of these. Try this. Done.
Done,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah. Or I think I have all the questions in one slide. I'm sorry, just a minute. Just forgot about that. Yeah. Take a picture of this one, children. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can you go to the first slide? I could not.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
All right. Yeah. The second one.
Yes, ma'am. Please hold, ma'am. I need to take a picture of this.
Yes, ma'am. Taken.
Yeah. Yeah. This is the next one. I have one more to show.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, so we have to finish all the rest.
Yeah. Right.
Ma'am, and about the assignment you gave, that also we have to finish.
That also. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, children. So that was it for today's session. Thank you so much. You may leave the call.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
See you, children.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, tomorrow we do have
Thank you,
session,
children.
right, ma'am?
Aishwarya, please stay back. Gayatri, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we do have session tomorrow, right, ma'am?
No. I think next